Now I'll show you the kaioken! I've had a craving to draw this character. My most loved and most favorite Dragon Ball fusion, Vegitto! Play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Only I'm adding a special feature to this fusion. Tonight we're gonna draw the super fusion. The name of this is known as Xeno Vegitto Super Saiyan Kaioken. Truth is, this is the first time I've seen Vegito achieve this form, well, since Super Dragon Ball Heroes Universe Mission. I noticed a bunch from the Saiyan race combining Super Saiyan and Kaioken. First one was half of Vegito when he combined Super Saiyan Blue and Kaioken times 10 against the Assassin Hit. I know what you guys are asking. What is Kaioken? Well, I have got just the right device to show you. Alexa, what is the Kaioken?
According to an Alexa Answers contributor, the Kraken is a legendary sea monster of enormous size said to appear off the coasts of Norway.
Sorry for that. Alexa, on Dragon Ball, what is the Kaioken?
Here's something I found on the web. According to fandom.com, kaioken is a pretty unique technique in the game.
Alexa, on Dragon Ball, what is kaioken?
Here's something I found on the web. According to fandom.com, Super Kaioken, also named Super Saiyan Kaioken, SS, is a combination of the Super Saiyan and Kaioken techniques that appears as a form in the Dragon Ball series.
Alexa, on Dragon Ball Z Kai, what is the Super Kaioken?
Here's something I found on the web. According to fandom.com, Super Kaioken makes its first distinct appearance in Dragon Ball Z Dokkan Battle, where it was added as a form for Goku on July 14, 2017 in the worldwide version, and June 12, 2018 in the Japan version.
Alexa, on Dragon Ball Z Kai, what is the Kaioken?
Here's something I found on the web. According to fandom.com, Super Kaioken makes its first distinct appearance in Dragon Ball Z Dokkan Battle,
Alexa,
where it was added.
Tell me about Kaioken.
Kaioken by Farid Bang, featuring Tory Lanez.
Alexa, stop.
Song
Alright, sorry I asked this, folks. I'll tell you. Kaioken, basically known as one of Goku's special powers. It is also a energy multiplier. Goku learned it from King Kai, and of course, Vegito learned that same transformation as well, along with Super Saiyan 3. This is the first time that I saw Vegito transform into this transformation on Universe Mission, but as for Xeno Vegito, I've only seen him transform into this form as an avatar on the game. Alexa, play Hey Digimon.
Here's Hey Digimon by Chris Allen Hess on Amazon Music.
Hey Digimon, monster friends to the boys and girls. Hey Digimon, champions of the digital world. Hey Digimon, the ultimate friends to the boys and girls. Hey Digimon, champions of the digital world. 7 young kids go to camp for the summer and wind up living in a digital land where everybody gets to meet his own Digimonster, a digital companion, a digital friend. Digimon in training will Digivolve the rookie and Digivolve the champion and ultimate too. I'm gonna save the digital world for me. I'm gonna save the digital world for you. Hey Digimon, monster friends to the boys and girls. Hey Digimon, champions of the digital world. Hey Digimon, the ultimate friends to the boys and girls. Hey Digimon,
Alexa, play Dragon Ball Heroes.
Super Dragon Ball Heroes Universe Mission by Mark DeGroot on Amazon Music.
There's only one last thing to add. The Super Kaioken times 10 aura! Dash! And finished! There he is! The legendary Super Kaioken Vegitto! It's finally perfect. I'm proud you all got to enjoy this episode. There's gonna be more on the way. Make sure you like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And whatever comes our way, we'll be there ready to save the planet. We're never gonna stop until the universe is safe. By the way, have you been watching Ultra God Mission? I have. I'm excited for Super Saiyan 43. Stegosaurus, see you later. And be sure to stay tuned for more awesome episodes. Till next time, Kaioken times 10!